The Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website is a convenient and secure way for providers to submit claims and access claims information quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial video, we will demonstrate how to log into your NIHB web account on the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website and view your claim statement along with various rejection codes and scenarios. First, select the language in which you would like to view the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website. Select English or French. For the purpose of this tutorial video, let's select English. If you don't already have a web account, please watch the tutorial video, NIHB website for medical supplies and equipment providers. To access this video, click the Provider drop-down menu and select Medical Supplies and Equipment. This will take you to the Medical Supplies and Equipment Benefits page. Click the YouTube icon, Features for Providers, to learn how to create a web account. Let's begin by logging in. Click the Login button located on the top right-hand side of your screen. You will be required to enter your username and password. Once entered, click Login. Before you can access your profile from the login page, you will be required to review the privacy notice that appears on the page by either clicking Accept or Decline. If you accept, you will be taken to your profile. If you decline, you will not be able to access your profile and submit claims online. Instead, you will be redirected to the login page. Once you pass the privacy notice, you will be redirected to a web page where you are required to undergo multi-factor authentication. You will receive an email to the email address registered to your NIHB web account. Within the email, there will be a 6-digit one-time passcode that you are required to enter in the displayed screen. Enter the 6-digit one-time passcode in the Enter One-Time Passcode field and click Submit. Once the system authenticates your passcode, you will be redirected to your NIHB web account. Please note that if you enter the wrong passcode, an invalid passcode, please try again message will appear on the screen. Once you are logged in, you will see your My Profile page. Here, your business name, first and last name, and provider number will be pre-populated in the Profile Information section. Now, we will demonstrate how you can access and read your claim statement. To access your claim statement, click the Statements button located on the left-hand menu bar. This will take you to the ESC Statement website. Please log in using your username and password. If you don't have an ESC Statement account, please watch the tutorial video, How to Create an Account to Access Claim Statements, to learn more. After you have successfully logged in, you will land on the Search for Statements page. Next, click the Statement drop-down menu and select NIHB. Selecting NIHB means that you will view claim statements from the Non-Insured Health Benefits Program. Next, click the desired start date, then click the desired end date for your search, using the calendar, or enter the start and end dates in the date range fields provided. Once you have entered the date range, click the Search button. Based on the date range you entered, all available claim statements will be displayed. Click the claim statement you would like to view. Once you open the statement, you will find a summary of your claim information. Now, let's review the claim rejections and their corresponding response codes. The response code explanations are included on the last page of the paper or online claim statement. The response code is a distinct code that identifies the reason why a claim payment is being rejected or cut back. If you have a claim payment that has been rejected or paid with a payment cutback, a response code will appear. The first common response code we will review is R49. Benefit requires prior approval. The claim has not been paid because it requires a prior approval and a prior approval was not submitted with the claim. Please contact your regional NIHB office to obtain a prior approval. Benefits, which require a prior approval, are indicated in the Medical Supplies and Equipment Guide and Benefits list. The second common response code we will review is R48, prior approval for this item used up by previous claim. The claim has not been paid because the PA has already been used up by a previous claim. Refer to your copy of the prior approval confirmation letter or contact your NIHB regional office. Lastly, the third common response code we will review is R50, quantity exceeds frequency limits. The claim has not been paid because the frequency limit for the item has already been exceeded. Benefits with frequency limits are indicated in each of the benefit categories found in the Medical Supplies and Equipment Guide and Benefit list. For benefits with frequency limits that do not normally require a prior approval must be requested if the claim exceeds the maximum allowed. A detailed explanation of all the response codes and messages can be found in Section 7.3, Manual Claim Submission, Codes, Messages, and Explanations, located in the NIHB Medical Supplies and Equipment Submission Kit. Once you have finished reviewing your claim statement, you can log out of your account. The NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada is available to help. Please contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada at 1-888-511-4666. The contact details for the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada are found on our website. Simply navigate to the Quick Links section at the bottom of the webpage and select Contact Us. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.